Welcome to this video providing a first look at the PlayStation 5 Pro. We will take an architectural unboxing of Sony's upgraded console. Here is the retail profile. Inside the box you will find the PlayStation 5 Pro console, a DualSense wireless controller, and a low-profile metallic ring stand. The Pro design maintains the familiar curved language of the PlayStation 5, while introducing an aggressive new central ventilation architecture and a chrome-finished ring base. In this architectural evolution, the chassis panels are now segmented. We also see new cooling ribs forming an open-air central channel to maximize thermal exhaust. The rear connectivity includes an HDMI port, a LAN port, two super-speed USB-A ports, and a standard two-prong AC power receptacle, all surrounded by the ribbed ventilation structure. This matrix highlights the I/O hub. These ports are situated centrally within the rear thermal exhaust channel to handle display output, network stability, accessory data, and system power. With its segmented design and upgraded thermal channels, the PlayStation 5 Pro refines the physical architecture to support a new tier of performance.